staircase wiring. What are the components we need to do the experiment? Okay, what are the components? Means what are the components? First one is here, that is the two-way. We need the two-way switches. We need the two-way switches. That is the two-way switch 1 and the two-way switch 2. Okay, next is here lamp holder. Next one is a lamp holder. Next one is a lamp. And then that is a connecting wires. And then connecting wires. Okay, these are the components. Okay, that is the okay. Next is here. See the circuit diagram. Let's see the circuit diagram. Okay, next see the circuit diagram. That is a staircase wiring. That is the input supply, single phase AC supply. That is a single phase. That is a 230 volt 50 watt single phase AC supply. That is a two terminal phase. Another terminal is neutral. Okay. That is the two-way switches are connected. Two-way switches are connected. That is the two-way switches mean that is the three terminals. That is the two switches here, three terminals. Okay, these are the switch. That is the three terminals. Okay, both the first terminal is connected. Both the first terminal is connected, and then last two terminals are connected. Last two terminals are connected. Okay, next last two terminals are connected. That is the first phase terminal is given to the, that is the center terminal of the one switch. That is the center terminal of the one switch. Okay. Next, that is the another switch center terminal is directly connected to the lamp filament. That is a one end. Another end of the filament is directly connected to the neutral point. This is a circuit connection. This is a circuit connection. Okay. The next, that is a, what are the positions? What are the positions? First is here, there is switch S1. Switch S1. Next is here S2. Okay. Both switches are one position. But both switches are one position. That is both switches are connected. One position means that is a lamp will be glow. So the second condition is switch S1 is 1. That is a one connected. 2 is that is the off condition. Okay, that is a condition is off. Next is here 2 1 to 1. Both this condition also lamp will not glow. Okay, next is here both switches are condition, that is the start switch. Both switches are continuity. That is the output is on. These are the condition of the two-way switch. Okay, this is the two-way switch. Two-way switch is that is what is the applications of two-way switch means. That is the two-way switch used in the normal houses. Suppose one lamp is in the first floor. Lamp in the first floor. The lamp is controlled by two different places. Suppose the lamp in the first floor. The lamp will be controlled in the first floor and also in the second floor. Both the places. This is the application of the staircase wiring. Okay. Now we check that is the lamp will glow. What are the conditions? Okay. Let's switch on the switch. Both switches are, that is this condition is, that is a 1 and 2. There is a 1 and 2. That is the off. Both switches are same condition means that is the lamp will glow. The condition is checked. Okay. Okay. Thank you.